Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my room because I recently did a lot of rearrangement and buying things. So hopefully this gives you inspiration to curate your own room, and let's just get into the video. So when you enter my room, this is the view that you see. Let's first focus on what's on my door, which is a floor-length mirror. I find this pretty useful because I use it for my outfits every day, and it's also like pretty clean and aesthetic, and I also even used to write my affirmations on this, so I highly recommend having some sort of a long mirror in your room. Next, let's go to the side of the room, and perhaps the most obvious thing is my projector. So this is a pretty recent addition to my room, and I have placed it under my bed, and it projects to this wall on the left. And yeah, I mean, I like it. It's not like extremely high resolution, but it works, and it's pretty bright when it's dim in the room. And I also can like hook this up with Bluetooth to my laptop, which is really nice. I haven't watched anything on here yet, but I like to put on like pretty backgrounds like this one and just like continue on with my day in my room with this being on my wall. My next thing is my vision board, which is honestly so outdated. And there are a lot of things on here that like literally didn't come true. Like I didn't get an NYUSA, and I literally copied an MIT acceptance letter here and I didn't get it. So it's kind of embarrassing why this is still up. So I need to update it, and I'm going to at some point. Let's next go to my nightstand. Let's just get started with the bottom of the nightstand. So down here, I have some books that I should really be reading, but I haven't been. And I also have a tissue box because I have been so sick for this like half of the year. So yeah, that's that. And then up here, I have a little kind of, I don't even know what you call this, container that has a coaster and an incense holder. And I haven't had incense in a while or like burned it, but maybe I'll do it soon. And I also have my salt lamp, which I really like. You can adjust the brightness of it, and it just like changes the vibe of the room to like be more calm. And inside of here, I keep a journal that I use basically every day, a book that I'm supposed to be reading right now, and then I have another journal under here, but it's kind of irrelevant. I also have my remotes for everything in my room. So this is for my heater, for my projector, and for my LED lights under my bed. And I have some medicine, my retainers, and then my eye mask for sleeping. Up here in the corner is just a spread of wall art that I kind of compiled when I was redesigning my room originally. So the first couple things on this side, this is a poster my mom gave me, and it was part of a pack. There's another one on the other side of my room that you'll see later. And I also have my Yale Likely letter, which I just wanted to hang up because I thought it would be cool. Then here's a letter that a pen pal gave me a really long time ago, and I never like sent her a letter back, which is really sad. But anyway, I kept it up in my room because it's aesthetic. And this is a letter from my friend Leona that she actually gave to me on her birthday, which is crazy. So I just really like it, so I kept it up here. And on this side, this is from when I was performing at Carnegie Hall, just like a paper, I think it was like in the program. A subway card for when I visited New York on a school trip. Another like MIT related thing, it's a poster that I need to take down. And then I got this at the Glossier store. They were handing out these like newspaper type advertisements, and I thought it looked really cool. So I took one, and when I was like making this collection on my wall, I was like, oh, this would look really cool here. So I just took this page, even though it means literally nothing. And the T from G Suite is cut off, which is kind of funny. And then here's a plane ticket also to New York from that same school trip. Here's my bed area. This is a Polaroid wall that is just a bunch of different memories from different summers and different events throughout my high school mainly. And I put this fortune in the middle that says a new friend will soon enter your life with blessings to share. Because I've had this forever, and I really feel like it resonates with me so deeply because I'm always trying to make new friends and like meet different types of people. Anyway, this is my bed, and I don't know if these are satin or silk, but I have these sheets and pillowcase, and I also have a white kind of plush blanket that I like because I use this year round. Like, it's not ever too hot or cold. I feel like it's the right temperature for this room. And something interesting is that I actually changed to this really thin pillow because I realized the thicker pillow just didn't sit right with my neck. And I've been liking it. It's also cooling, which is like a must-have for pillows for me because my head tends to get really hot. And something else I like about this bed is that it's really low. I just feel like the fact that my bed is pretty low and my nightstand is pretty low just like makes the room look so much larger and just is kind of aesthetic. Something I'm realizing is that my LED lights under my bed, which you can see them from here, they look really pink in the video, but in real life they look pretty neutral. So yeah, just telling you that. So let's move on to the next portion of my room. This is my closet, and right now I hung up my outfit for tomorrow on these hooks. So that's what I use them for. There's also some extra hooks that are hidden behind them. So I don't know, I just like hanging up outfits there. It just looks nice. And then this is my window, one of two. The other one's on the other side. And I like the blinds on them actually, they're pretty nice. In between is my desk. So let's just start with my lights up here. I think these are actually intended for outdoor use, but I just kept them here because I like the aesthetic. And here's my desk. I just said that. On my chair, I have this like cashmere throw because just a black chair with a black desk looked kind of like something was missing. So I just added this to add to the aesthetic. So over here, we have my desk lamp, which is pretty nice because it charges. It's kind of like not the best, which you can see because it's not charging my AirPods, but yeah, I like to place my desk lamp right above my diffuser because then you can see like the mist coming out of the diffuser or the diffuser. Here is my desk mat. It's white. That's kind of a common theme in this room. And I literally got this laptop stand today. I keep my laptop, or I've been keeping my laptop on it today because I want to fix my posture. And I have this keyboard here. I kind of need to figure out the mouse setup because I have a wireless mouse, but I lost like the part that connects to the laptop. So I've been using it wired, and I feel like that would look really bad here. So I need to figure it out. Anyway, here's my clock. I actually want it to be just on the setting where it shows the time. So I don't know how to fix it from this because I haven't looked at the manual, but I'll do it at some point. Also, I bought this reed diffuser today, and I really like how it smells. I bought it from Target, actually. And yeah, also looks pretty nice. So let's take a quick look at my desk drawer. I've actually cleaned this up pretty well. Here are some cards that I need to give to people for graduation. These are 2 cameras, filmed for both of them. My candle that you can see that my drawer is broken in the back. Anyway, this is the candle that I've been burning, but I didn't keep it out because it kind of messes with the aesthetic. And some incense, as well as a mic and a tripod, which is low-key kind of bad, so I think I'm gonna get a new one. So anyway, I also have this kind of like table management setup over here, which I really like because if I need to ever like plug in my laptop, I can just plug it in right there, and that's connected to the wall. I have a couple of things on this side of my desk. I kept this duster here because it's kind of aesthetic, and I have all my yearbooks here as well as some old journals. Now, this is the last part of my room that I want to show you guys. So this is my next window, and here's my trash can. and my dresser. So I kind of have this setup going on here. I'll just take you guys through it. So I put some posters up here. This is my Leve Bewitched tour poster, and this is another one of those posters my mom gave me. So this is from when I bought Mitski merch, and this is a Georgia Aquarium ticket. So next, this is my skincare fridge, which honestly is kind of an unnecessary buy, but I use it. So that's my skincare. I turn it on every time I open it. This is my rings app, which I actually use like basically it was like an old skincare jar, and I just put my rings in here, and I have a little Swiftski next to it because I like the idea of it like grabbing the rings. I think it's cute. And then picture of my family and me, and some flowers a friend gave me. So this is like the spot where I just display flowers whenever I get them. And I am possibly thinking of drying these. I've never done it before, but I've seen people do it, and displaying it like that, because then I could just keep it forever. So just to take you through my drawers, here's where I have my PJs, my shirt, pants, and underwear, and then my socks go in this drawer. Then this one is for like my workout clothes and winter clothes. And then this last one is for just like a bunch of random items, and I'm keeping a gift in it for one of my friends, so I'm gonna gatekeep it by not showing you guys that drawer. Okay, lastly, this is my heater, which I actually should have turned on so it can be like rotating and look cool in the video, but it's whatever. So yeah, that's basically the end of my room. Let me just give you guys a full overview so you can see it again. But I'm really happy with how it is. I mean, there's always room for improvement, but I think I did a pretty good job with the space and making it aesthetic. I'll definitely update you guys if I ever have any changes to this room. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching and supporting me. Stay tuned for more content, and see you soon. Bye!